Welcome to another math lesson by Stritch Education. Today, we are going to learn to solve problem sum using a heuristic called the assumption method. Let us start by looking at this problem sum. There are 34 beetles and spiders in a room. They have a total of 260 legs. How many beetles and spiders are there? Now, let's us take a closer look at the story here. We know that there are a total of 34 beetles and spiders. We do not know how many of each we have, but we know that the total is 34. Next, we know that if we add up all the legs of all the beetles and spiders in that room, we would have 260 legs altogether. To be able to do this question, we assumed that you have the general knowledge that a beetle has 6 legs and a spider has 8 legs. The first thing we need to do when we are using this method is to make an assumption. Let's assume that all the 34 of them are beetles. So we have 34 beetles and no spiders. So if there are all beetles, let's find out how many legs should we have in total. One beetle has 6 legs, therefore, 34 beetles will have 204 legs. If all are beetles, there should be only 204 legs, but the story tells us that there are 260 legs, so our assumption is wrong. There are some spiders in the room. Those spiders will account for the extra legs here. Let's find out how many extra legs are there. 260 from the story take away the 204 legs in our assumption. We know that there are 56 extra legs. We also know that the difference in the number of legs between a beetle and a spider is 2. A spider has 2 more legs than a beetle. That 2 extra legs that each spider has made up for the extra 56 legs in the room. So now, we are ready to find the number of spiders in the room. 56 divided by 2 is equal 28. There are 28 spiders in the room. Since we know that there is a total of 34 beetles and spiders in the room, we now know that there are 28 spiders. We can find the number of beetles by subtracting 28 from the 34, which give us 6. Now we have solved the story sum. There are 28 spiders and 6 beetles. Let us check if the numbers tally with the story. First, let us find the total number of beetles and spiders. 28 spiders and 6 beetles give us 34. That is correct. Then, let's us find the total number of legs. 28 spiders have 224 legs, 6 beetles have 36 legs. 224 and 36 gives us 260 legs. That is also correct. Thank you for watching.